Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a common driving habit that could be secretly damaging your car. Driving at low RPM for long periods of time. It may seem like a fuel-saving strategy, but it has some hidden risks that could cost you big down the road. So stick around as we explore the dangers of staying in the low RPM range for too long and what you can do to avoid unnecessary wear and tear on your engine. First, let's define what we mean by low RPM. RPM indicates the engine's speed. In most cars, anything below 1,500 RPM is considered low, especially in higher gears. Driving a car at low RPM for an extended period can have several consequences, depending on the engine and driving conditions. Let's talk about the consequences for driving at low RPM. 1. Poor engine lubrication. At low RPM, your engine's oil pump doesn't generate enough pressure to properly lubricate the moving parts. This can lead to increased friction and wear on key components like pistons, valves, and crankshafts. And if your engine isn't getting enough lubrication, it may lead to expensive repairs or even complete engine failure. 2. Engine stalling. At low RPMs, the engine operates at a lower speed, which might not provide enough power to keep the engine running smoothly, especially under load. When additional power is needed, such as when accelerating or driving uphill, the engine might not be able to provide it, leading to stalling. 3. Engine strain. Engines are designed to operate within a certain RPM range to balance power and efficiency. Prolonged low RPM driving can strain the engine because it may not be operating within its optimal power band. This can lead to poor fuel efficiency and increased engine wear over time. 4. Carbon buildup. Next, we've got carbon buildup. When your engine operates at low RPM for long periods, it's not burning fuel as efficiently as it should. This leads to carbon deposits forming on your valves, spark plugs, and exhaust system. Over time, these deposits reduce performance and fuel efficiency and can even lead to misfires. 5. Poor performance. Engines are tuned to perform best within a certain RPM range. At low RPMs, the engine generates less power and torque, which means the car may struggle with acceleration and responsiveness. This is particularly noticeable when you need to accelerate quickly or when additional power is required, such as during overtaking or climbing hills. So what can you do to avoid these issues? The answer is simple. Try to stay in your car's optimal RPM range. For most cars, that sweet spot is between 2,000 to 3,000 RPM during normal driving conditions. Don't be afraid to downshift when needed, especially if you're driving up hills or carrying heavy loads. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive tips, and let us know in the comments how you keep your car in peak condition.